down this hill, or I did at least. He's still coming down. There's little pathways. Yeah, it does. And this way there's a little bridge.
If it rained and you were down here, you'd have a hell of a time.
Rain would be a bad time, yeah. We should get out of here before it rains.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And then, we thought this was just a bridge, and we came down and it's like a temple carved into the sides of the mountain.
It's really cool.
This is, yeah, incredible, absolutely incredible. Yeah, I don't really know where we are. I can try to pin it on a map, but I don't want anybody to know about this. So maybe I won't.
It probably is in tourist books somewhere, right?
I don't doubt it.
No?
It's not even on my maps.me, it just shows a bridge here. But yeah, this is incredible.
Bloody brilliant.
Yeah. Let's go on to some rice paddies. See if we can find some rice paddy fields. That's next. Let's go.
Wow.
I don't know where we are.
We're in the jungle, baby. I hope not. Whew.
Either way, dope stone guy. Got another little doggy guide.
I'm looking at doggy guys.
Hey Sean and Paul, show us the way. A whole convention going on over here.
It is a duck convention.
But as soon as there's a goose, they all run.
In circles. And bop each other on the head. There's herons over here though. A little crane looking thing.
Yeah. Like a blue herring, only with a gold head.
Yeah. And a majestic whippersnapper in the background, eh?
Yeah. Off in the way.
Gotta get all your ducks in a row. Everyone's so friendly, eh?
Yeah.
This is my idea of a good time. It's just randomly wandering.
Yeah. I think we say that a lot. It's very true.
Yeah. Who needs a destination when you could just find destinations along the way?
I don't know many other travelers who just like to wander on foot for entire days.
Yeah.
But
until your feet fall off.
I hope we can encourage someone to say, yeah, that seems alright.
Yeah, that seems safe.
Just wander for some days.
Might even find yourself a crazy weird temple in a valley.
Yeah. Oh, I see a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh yeah.
It's a little sad.
Better days. That's adorable.
Lizard in the bushes. I love how many lizards you see.
Yeah. dragon's like bright red. There's a little hole though. Helicopter.
Yeah.
The place we're staying is like there. Bus stop.
It totally does.
You think the cat bus comes here?
I hope so. Going
stand
on
there.
the cat bus.
We're going to a rice field.
Yeah.
I think you're much wetter than this water bottle.
Yeah, it's weird. I'm not particularly tired or exhausted or exerted. I'm not uncomfortably warm, but I am sweating like I've never sweat
I've never
in my life.
seen you sweat like this.
So I don't know what that is. I sweat a lot in Egypt, but
Not
maybe
like
I'm
this.
wetter.
It's more humid here for sure. But
Yeah.
Egypt was 5 billion times more hot.
But like I find the temperature pleasant. So
Oh, I think there's a scooter coming behind us, but some peach herons, or whatever they're actually called. The scooter came down here now. I'd be a little bit afraid. This adventure is getting out of hand. It's just there's too much good stuff, you know?
too much?
Yeah.
Too much is not enough.
I earlier said that I wouldn't pin the location or show it on a map below because it's too good and I don't want people to know. Maybe I'll make a little walking tour.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's next to no one goes to our website, so if you want to go on this, you have to go to our website.
No. Look at those muddy ducks.
Muddy duckers.
A photo?
The scooter guy stopped so I could take a photo without him being in the way. But I wanted to film him actually.
Oh. Yeah. Brilliant watch.
Accidental too. Such a good boy.
Good boy.
So this is what the entrance or exit to that cool walk we just did looks like.
Yeah.
Do our best to pin it on a map, but yeah.
You can take that all the way around
Yeah.
to the cool shrine area with all the carvings in the wall. Awesome. Awesome.
And this is the intersection. So.
Good.
There you go. There goes the Paul. See ya, Paul. Sorry. If you look very carefully, you can see a little camouflage lizard. I can point him out for you. He's right there on this tree, right by my fingernail. Ooh. Yeah.
their mascot reel is amazing.
Oh.
The camera doesn't care so much.
No, it probably doesn't. I wanted to ask you what you thought about your adventure this morning, the accidental adventure.
It was brilliant. I don't understand why I sweat so much here, but
It was a great time wandering those terraces.
yeah.
Yeah.
The highlight to me was certainly
The little temple in the valley.
The
Yeah.
carved things on the rockside.
And the little man that got really excited to see you.
Yeah.
How did he?
Oh, mister.
I'm sad I missed that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, everyone's really friendly.
We gotta swim, and we're gonna have these beers, and then we're gonna go on an adventure. Maybe find some lunch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a look.